Hello everyone, I'm your host Dave for Da Bomb Smokes. Beautiful day today, and we're going to be doing smash burgers on the Blackstone grill. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. Let's give this a taste test. Not bad. Bacon wrapped asparagus. Oh my goodness. That is really good. Take me another bite of this hamburger. Well, that was really good, folks. And Tropical Torpedo. Sierra Nevada. Tropical Torpedo. It's not a new beer, but it's new to me. So I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna enjoy this beer with my smash burger and my bacon wrapped asparagus. And this brings another cooking session to a close. Listen, I want to thank you so much for joining in and watching my video. To all you who subscribe, I love y'all and I appreciate your support. For those of you who haven't subscribed, I love you too and I appreciate you watching in. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. And make sure and hit the subscribe button on the bottom if you haven't subscribed already. Well, here goes. Oh, that's good. I always say, don't take this day for granted, folks, because when it's gone, it's gone. Cheers, y'all. God bless.